Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting objective numbers so comparisons are meaningful. Start with the Tesla Model 3 purchase price, incentives, and tax credits. Write the net dollar you will pay. Next, note the comparable gas car price and financing terms, interest rate, and term length. Then capture operational baselines, annual miles, current dollar/gallon, MPG for the gas car, and $/kWh plus kWh per 100 miles for the Model 3. Once done, you have the core inputs to model total cost of ownership. Now you calculate recurring and ownership costs step by step. Compute annual fuel dollars by dividing annual miles by MPG and multiplying by $/gallon. Then compute electricity by multiplying kWh/100 miles by annual miles and $/kWh. Add routine maintenance differences, oil changes, brake wear, battery warranty considerations, and insurance and registration. Depreciation you estimate as a yearly dollar amount or percent. Include one-time costs like home charger installation. Make sure to segregate predictable from variable costs so you can run sensitivity checks. Finally, synthesize results into a clear comparison you can act on. Create a multi-year total cost of ownership chart showing purchase, cumulative operating costs, and projected residual value. Then compute per mile and the break-even year where the Model 3 becomes cheaper than the gas car. Once complete, present the numbers and recommended choice based on your priorities. If numbers seem unstable, vary gas and electricity prices by plus or minus 20%, and check how sensitive your decision is to those changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.